What if I revealed an uncomfortable truth that keeps millions of men over 50 in deep silence, victims of frustrations and humiliations in their own bedroom? You know exactly what I'm talking about, don't you? That look from your partner, full of desire, waiting for you, but your body fails. The blood doesn't flow, the erection doesn't happen, and there's that heavy silence and discomfort you can't express. Only a man knows what this feels like. It's not just your bed that's destroyed, it's your self-confidence, self-esteem, and happiness that are shaken, and the inevitable question arises. Has my virility disappeared? Has my potency ended? Let me tell you the truth. Your virility hasn't gone away. It's there, suffocated by bad habits, poor nutrition, and a routine that sabotages your body without you noticing. And that's why you're here. Today, I'm going to reveal the 8 fruits that can revitalize your blood circulation, pump blood into your penis, and restore your male potency. I'm going to teach you an ancient Korean technique that boosts testosterone production, improves circulation, and awakens your male energy. Natural practices and simple habits can transform a man's health and energy. Additionally, I'll give you an Eastern technique to improve the firmness of your erection, allowing it to last 5, 10, or even 20 minutes with control and confidence. To top it off, you'll receive the secret recipe of a natural remedy used by the Greeks, Egyptians, and Arabs to strengthen virility, improve circulation, and guarantee performance worthy of a true king. Now, if you're the type of man who refuses to be a prisoner of time, write in the comments, "I am a real man." Share this lesson with 3 men you respect and who deserve to discover this truth. These 8 fruits will transform your circulation, unblock your arteries, and restore your potency and vitality, even after 50. The better your blood circulates, the more energy, stamina, and performance you'll have. It's that simple. First fruit, watermelon. Watermelon is a true superfood, a real source of energy and vitality. It's packed with citrulline, a natural compound that, when processed by your body, turns into arginine. And arginine is the key to producing nitric oxide, a powerful substance that has the incredible effect of relaxing and expanding blood vessels. This makes circulation much more effective, flowing with greater intensity throughout your body. This increase in blood flow not only improves the oxygenation of your tissues and organs, but also brings a real boost to your energy, vitality, and stamina. The effect is immediate. You feel lighter, with more energy to face the day, and that renewed sense of well-being. To further enhance the benefits, consume fresh watermelon in the morning or early afternoon, or make a natural juice by blending it with lemon, which will intensify the effects on your circulation and vitality. It's a simple but extremely effective way to transform your health. Second fruit, pomegranate. Pomegranate is undoubtedly a true treasure of nature, filled with powerful antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the arteries and cleaning the blood vessels. These compounds not only promote healthier circulation, but also enhance the efficiency of your cardiovascular system in an impressive way. One of the most effective ways to reap all these benefits is to drink natural pomegranate juice on an empty stomach. This allows you to maximize nutrient absorption and further boost the health of your arteries. If you prefer something simpler and equally effective, enjoy the whole fruit in the morning. In no time, you'll start noticing the results, with smoother circulation, more energy, and a renewed sense of vitality. Third fruit, avocado. Avocado is a true nutritional gem, packed with healthy fats, potassium, and vitamin E, essential nutrients that work wonders for your health. These substances not only help reduce bad cholesterol, but also strengthen the arteries, promoting more efficient and healthy blood circulation. Incorporating half an avocado into your breakfast or dinner is a simple yet powerful way to transform your cardiovascular health. You can enjoy it plain with lemon, further enhancing its effects, or choose to add a spoonful of honey for a special touch of flavor and natural energy. In no time, you'll notice not only the benefits for circulation, but also a renewed sense of vitality and well-being. Fourth fruit, strawberry. Strawberries are powerful allies of vascular health, rich in vitamin C and potent antioxidants that stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a compound essential for expanding and relaxing blood vessels. This significantly improves circulation, as well as combats inflammation that can affect the circulatory system. To make the most of its benefits, consume them in the morning or as an afternoon snack, either plain, in fresh salads, or even blended with water and lemon, creating a refreshing and invigorating combination. This way, you'll not only take care of your circulation but also recharge your energy in a healthy and delicious way. Fifth fruit, Purple grapes. Purple grapes are a true antioxidant powerhouse, especially when consumed with the skin and seeds, as they are rich in resveratrol, a compound with an incredibly high capacity to protect blood vessels and improve blood flow. Additionally, resveratrol helps reduce inflammation, promoting more efficient and healthy circulation. To gain all these benefits, it's ideal to consume a small bunch of grapes in the morning or afternoon, always keeping the skin and, whenever possible, the seeds, as they contain the highest concentration of essential nutrients. This way, you'll be taking care of your vascular health in a practical and delicious way. Sixth fruit, banana. Banana is a true ally when it comes to cardiovascular health. Rich in potassium, this mineral plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, helping keep blood vessels more flexible and resilient. This makes blood circulation more efficient, allowing the blood to flow more easily and smoothly throughout the body. A simple gesture, like adding a banana to your breakfast or afternoon snack, could be enough to provide your body with a significant improvement in circulatory system health. This small daily habit is a practical way to maintain your vitality and ensure the proper functioning of your body throughout the day. Seventh fruit, lemon. Lemon is one of nature's most powerful allies when it comes to promoting true internal cleansing of your body. It's rich in vitamin C and packed with antioxidants, which not only combat inflammation, but also act as a natural detoxifier, purifying the blood and arteries. This not only facilitates blood circulation, but also makes your blood lighter, more fluid, and efficient, promoting optimized cardiovascular health. The most effective way to maximize its benefits is to start the day with warm lemon water right after waking up. This simple yet powerful ritual helps detoxify your body and prepares it for the day. Throughout the rest of the day, you can include squeezed lemon in your salads, fruits, or juices, ensuring healthier circulation and a boost in energy throughout the hours. Eighth fruit, blackberry. Blackberries are a powerful source of anthocyanins, exceptional antioxidants that directly protect the walls of blood vessels, promoting more efficient blood circulation and fighting harmful inflammation. These compounds help keep the vascular system in excellent working condition, which, in turn, results in more energy and vitality for your body. To make the most of all these benefits, consume a handful of fresh blackberries in the morning, or as an afternoon snack, or even prepare a natural juice. This simple habit can give an extra boost to your vascular health and ensure that you feel lighter, more energized, and more active throughout the day. These 8 fruits I just presented to you are true treasures of nature for any man over 50. They have the power to revitalize your circulation, clean your arteries, boost your energy, and restore the vitality that often you thought was left behind. If I were in your shoes, I would make sure to include at least 3 or 4 of these fruits in my diet every day. The impact is immediate, and the benefits over time are simply impressive. But what I'm about to reveal to you goes far beyond just diet. I want to share with you a powerful secret, an ancient technique used for centuries by masters of Eastern medicine, especially in Korea and other Asian cultures. This practice has been essential in naturally increasing testosterone, improving blood circulation, and restoring male vitality. And the name of this technique is simple but extremely effective: the Korean testicular compression technique. Yes, I know this may sound unusual or even strange, but what you are about to learn here is backed by rigorous scientific studies and millennia-old practices that have transformed the lives of thousands of men around the world. What is this technique? It's a technique of controlled self-stimulation, where you gently compress the testicles in a strategic way, adapted to your age. The main goal is to activate natural testosterone production, improve blood flow in the pelvic area, and unblock energy centers that, over time, become dormant in your body. How does it work in your body? Your testicles are true hormone factories. By applying the correct compression, you directly activate the seminiferous tubules and Leydig cells, which are responsible for testosterone production. Additionally, the physical stimulation increases local blood circulation, eliminating stagnation and activating the lymphatic system, which is responsible for detoxifying this vital area. Proven benefits of this technique: natural increase in testosterone, improved circulation in the pelvic area, increased energy and disposition, more vitality, greater control and strength in sexual performance, hormonal balance, reduction of pain, discomfort, and heaviness in the region. How to correctly apply the testicular compression technique. Best time? During the shower. The warm water helps relax the muscles and dilate the blood vessels, making the procedure more comfortable and effective. Frequency. Ideally, you should perform the technique every day, but at least 5 times a week. The more consistent you are, the faster the results will come. Duration. The recommended time is 2 to 5 minutes, adjusted to your age and physical condition. Intensity. The compression should be gentle and not cause pain. The rule is simple. The older you are, the lighter the pressure should be. Men up to 50 years old, medium compression. Men between 50 and 60 years old, light compression. Men over 60 years old, extremely light compression, almost like a massage. Step by step to perform testicular compression. Hold each testicle with your fingertips, thumb on one side, and index and middle fingers on the other side, as if holding a small marble. Gently press, making compressions for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times on each testicle. While performing the process, breathe deeply, focusing on the area and imagining the energy flowing. This will help you unblock any stagnation and optimize the results of the technique. Additional tip. When doing this technique, keep your focus on the feeling of well-being. Imagine the energy flowing freely, activating each cell in your pelvic area. This will not only improve blood flow, but it will also strengthen your connection with your body, restoring your self-confidence and vitality. Proven benefits. Recent studies confirm that the controlled stimulation technique in the testicular area can significantly increase testosterone production, with increases of up to 30% in men over 50. Research conducted by the Korean Academy of Medical Sciences revealed that manual methods that activate the pelvic region benefit male hormonal health, as well as promoting a considerable increase in local blood circulation. Important notice: the technique should never cause pain. If you feel any discomfort or pain, immediately reduce the pressure. Remember, the goal here is to stimulate, not force or harm the body. Try it for a week. Perform the technique every day during your shower and carefully observe how your body begins to react. Energy, disposition, and the sense of well-being will visibly improve. You will feel a change, more vitality, more control, and more confidence. Taking the practice to the next level. Now, imagine going beyond diet and the Korean technique you just learned. There is an ancient practice, known in the East, that has the transformative power to increase rigidity, prolong the erection, and improve control. This practice is part of sexual kung fu, or cheong sexual, a set of ancient exercises aimed at strengthening male vital energy. The technique I'm going to teach you now is called perineal contraction, with internal pressure breathing. This practice directly activates the pubococcygeus muscle, the famous pelvic floor muscle, which acts as a natural pump for circulation in the male intimate area. When strengthened, this muscle increases the amount of blood that reaches the area, keeping it there longer and providing stronger, longer-lasting erections. How to apply it practically? Best time. The technique can be done at any time of the day, but ideally, it should be done first thing in the morning or before any sexual activity. Position. It can be done seated with a straight back, lying down, or even standing, but always with proper posture. Step by step for perineal contraction. Take a deep breath, filling your lungs to the maximum. While holding the air in your lungs, contract the perineal region, the area between the anus and the testicles, as if you were holding your urine. At the same time, pull your abdomen inward, activating the muscles in the area. Hold the contraction for 5 to 8 seconds, focusing on the pelvic area. Slowly release the air and completely relax the muscles. Repeat this cycle 10 to 15 times for an effective workout. How to intensify the results? As you practice, your pelvic muscle will strengthen, allowing you to hold more blood in the pelvic region. This results in firmer, longer-lasting erections. After 2 to 3 weeks of daily practice, you will begin to notice a significant difference in your body and performance. Increased rigidity and control over ejaculation. Longer, firmer erections fully under your command. More confidence, vitality, and male energy. Studies confirm the results. One published in the British Journal of General Practice showed that men who strengthened their pelvic floor improved up to 90% in the quality of their erections and control over ejaculation in just 3 months. Furthermore, research from the University of the West of England revealed that these exercises are more effective than medication in mild and moderate cases of sexual dysfunction. Final recommendation: make this practice a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. The continuous strengthening of your pelvic muscle will return the control, strength, and vitality you thought you had lost over time. Your body and confidence will thank you. Powerful, natural recipe. Now get ready for something even more transformative. I want to share with you a natural formula that has been used by ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks, Egyptians, and Arabs, to not only increase male vitality, but also preserve vigor and energy for many years. The mixture is simple, but its effectiveness is impressive and proven through the centuries. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of cayenne pepper, optional, but it considerably boosts the power of the formula. Juice of 1 whole lemon, 1 tablespoon of pure honey, 200 milliliters of warm water, not boiling, just heated. Preparation method: in a glass, place the warm water. Add the grated ginger, ground cinnamon, cayenne pepper, if preferred, lemon juice, and honey. Stir well until all ingredients are fully dissolved and integrated. How to consume: drink this mixture every morning on an empty stomach to optimize its effects. If you prefer, you can repeat it at night, about 1 hour before bedtime, to further enhance the results. How long to use? This is a recipe that can be consumed continuously. In just 5 days, you will start to notice the first changes in your body. In 3 to 4 weeks, the benefits will be much more evident, from your energy levels to your vitality as a man. Why is this recipe so powerful? Ginger, a natural stimulant that improves circulation, warms the body, and activates the cardiovascular system, giving you that needed boost for the day. Cinnamon, besides being a superfood for circulation, it has an incredible ability to balance hormone levels, essential for maintaining high male vitality. Lemon, naturally detoxifying, lemon cleanses the blood, aids in detoxification, and makes the other ingredients work even more effectively. Honey provides a quick energy boost, functioning as a true tonic for the whole body. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Cayenne pepper, this spice is a true energy explosion. It boosts circulation, accelerates metabolism, and warms the body, making blood and nutrients reach the areas that need them the most. Expected results: significantly improved circulation, more energy and vitality for everyday life, a renewed sense of strength, both physically and mentally, greater control and endurance, along with restored vitality. This is not just a simple recipe, it's a true natural vitality bomb that will revitalize your body and restore your energy in a surprising way. If you're ready to transform your life, start right now. Prepare this mixture and incorporate it into your routine. You'll be amazed by the results. Now, I want to know from you. Did you like the content? Was it useful for your life? On a scale from 0 to 10, how would you rate everything you learned today? And from which city are you watching this lesson? Share with me. I want to know how far this message is reaching and see how we're bringing information and natural health to men all over Brazil. If you believe that your health, energy, and vitality deserve to be cared for with the utmost respect and dedication, comment below. Life is a gift from God. Write it with strength, faith, and energy. Make this phrase a commitment to yourself. From now on, choose to take care of your health, your potency, and your happiness. And don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this lesson with at least 3 men you love who deserve to know this truth. Fathers, brothers, friends. You could be the key to transforming their lives. If you feel that now is the time to take care of your health in a natural and intelligent way, don't waste any more time. The link to get your copy is right below in the video description and also in the first pinned comment. Secure yours right now before this opportunity runs out. And to continue your health transformation journey, I will leave 2 valuable videos on the final screen that will definitely further enhance what you learned today. Click to watch and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate the bell to be notified whenever new amazing lessons are posted. Thank you so much for staying with me until now. A big hug, lots of health, energy, and may God bless you immensely. Life is a gift from God.